Hello YouTube, welcome to another exciting lesson. Osazmusic here as always, welcoming you to this beautiful lesson for today. So today we'll be going through a song titled Join Heavens to Sing by Nathaniel Bassey, and we'll be in the key of C major. As usual, we establish our key center, go through the number system. We have the C for the 1, we have the D for the 2, we have the E for the 3, we have the F for the 4, we have the G for the 5, we have the A for the 6, the B for the 7, and back to the 1. So the song basically starts with a nice intro, and basically it's more of like a horns line, but I'll give it to you nevertheless. So the progression of the song goes as the 1, 1, stay on the 1, stay on the 1, they go to the 6, the 6, stay on the 6, they go to a passing to the 2, then they go to a 5, a G7 to the 1, back to the 1. So basically that's the progression of the song: the C, the 6, the 2, the 5, 1. So it goes like a circular fourth of it, either way you look at it. So here's the intro of the song. It goes this way. I will just play it out for you, so I'll break it down after playing it. We have this way. That's the intro of the song. Basically, the horns player played those parts, but I could just give it to you. So the song starts with the C. Hold down to the 1, your 1. So I'll break it down from the top to the bottom. We have C octave. So the melody goes C, B, C. So it goes B, B, C, 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 B, B, B. We're still holding down our 1, the 10th stretch as always. We have the E, we have the G, and we have the C for the 1. So it goes 1 1 1 2 2 sorry 1 1 1 7 7 7. We play our 1 again in the second inversion and play a D D D D C C C. Then we go back to the 6 and play the same melody that we were playing earlier: C C C B B B. Then we go back still to the same melody: D D D C C C. Then we play A major chord. You can play any A major chord position you want. I'm basically just playing the first inversion, which then we play this melody with it: D D D C sharp sharp, while holding down our left hand. We have the A, the E, and the C sharp. So we play the right hand, just plays the melody D D D C C C. Then immediately we play the 2, another 10 stretch. So you can, for our left hand, we have the F sharp, we have the A, and we have the D. If you don't have this stretch, you can just play D octave with the A. Then we play. So after we play the next one, we play E while holding down to the note I just spoke earlier, the 2 minor. We play on E. Then the next part we go to a 5, which we play a D E, a D E D C C, D E D C C, then C D C D C B B A G. So that's what we have all together. So it goes that way. Sorry. So that's everything. So you can always rewind the video and pause to get the notes. So that's the whole intro. So the song starts. We join heavens to sing. I think that's the first part of the lyrics of the song. All chorus to a king. So the first part goes to the C major chord, which we all know. I'm always teaching on my channel. So we have from the top to the bottom, we have the G, we have the E, we have the C, and we have the G. That's for our right hand. And for our left hand, we have the E, the G, and the C. So we join heaven to sing. Can play this chord response, which is just like an amen, a 4-1. So our left hand, our right hand, we have the C. It's just a bonus chord I'm just giving. We have the C, we have the F, that's for the first chord. On our left hand, we have the A and the C. Then the next one, we have the E, which resolves to the 1. We're just resolving the inner note. So the F drops to the E and the A drops to the G. You hear this a lot in gospel songs. So that's it basically. So the next chord goes to a chorus to a king. But I'll just give another bonus chord. You can play this passing. I played it earlier on the introduction of this video. It's just a passing. So from the top to the bottom, we have the G, we have the D. For our right hand, we have the C and the A flat. We have the G, the D, the C, and the A flat. Over, can play an E7 on our left hand. So we have the D, we have the B, and we have the E for our left hand. To the 6, that's the passing to the 6. So I'll chorus to a king. You see, that's good. So that's another passing. Just giving you, this song is more about passing circle of fourths, like I said. So the next chord, we have this. We have the E. This, I'm just giving this for the advanced player who need something extra, or beginners who need something extra to play for a simple song like this. So we have the E for our right hand, we have the C sharp, we have the B flat, and we have the G for our right hand, and for our left hand we have the just the E and the C sharp. So it's like a G diminished seventh to the 2 minor, which I already spelled earlier. I'll just call it out from the top to the bottom. I have the F, I have the C, I have the E, and for our left hand I have the 10 stretch as usual, the F, the A, and the D. Okay, the sound of victory. So this is a G7, which we have from the top to the bottom. We have the F, we have the D, we have the C, and we have the A. And for our left hand, we have the F, we have the D, and we have the G. That's the G7. So that's all there is to the song. The chords repeat. Da da da, we join heavens to sing. A chorus to a king. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. So that's basically the song. So that's it. Then it goes back to the intro again. It starts playing. So that's where the chorus comes. So that's basically the whole song. So basically that's the progression of the whole song. The whole rhythm goes the same progression. The only changes that they did then. So let me play so that we'll go to the next part. Is the modulated part, because all the chords are the same. you just transpose the whole chord I taught you to the key of C sharp. But let me play to the modulated part. So so the only changes are changed when it so the first chord they played after, they played the G7 actually. So let me spell out the chord. We have the C, from the top to the bottom, we have the C, the G, and the D. While for our left hand, we have the G7, that's simply the F and the G. You can add the D. So you see, the modulated, the same chord, we just take it a half step, that's to the next key, C sharp. So they go to this sweet F sharp 7, sorry. They went to the 4, but basically they played an F sharp major 7th. So I'll spell out the chord. We have the, from the top to the bottom for our right hand, we have the F, we have the C sharp, and we have the A flat. While for our left hand, we have this F, the C sharp, and the B flat, and the F sharp. So it goes back to the C. Then they play this. So the next one they play at the 6. So the next chord after this, I already spelled out this out. So this, after this next part, they play, and they play this, the B minor 11 in the closed voicing. So this is what they played. From the top to the bottom, it's just like playing a 5/6. So we have the E flat for our right hand. From the top, we have the E flat, we have the C, and we have the A flat. While for our left hand, we have the F and the B flat. So we slot from the B flat to the C. So that's the first chord. Then the next one is E flat minor 7. So for our right hand, we have the C sharp, we have the F sharp, and we have the F. And for our left hand, we have the E flat octave. You can add the B flat, it's optional. So they play this nice C minor. Play this nice C minor 11. That's the next chord they played. So after, so let me just spell it out. For our right hand, we have this F, we have this D, we have the F, we have the D, we have the B flat, and we have the E flat. So we have the F, we have the D, and we have the E flat. So that's what we basically have over a C. If you don't have this stretch, basically I think you can play. They are both all stretch. They are all is a C minor 11. I don't know how else you can play it in the closer voicing. Okay, but it won't sound the same as this. This is another option. Instead of playing it this way, you can play it this way. If you don't have this stretch for this, you can play this. So this we have is basically a B flat chord on our right hand. We have the F, we have the D, we have the B flat, we have the F for our right hand, and for our left hand we have the E flat, we have the G and the E flat. So that's what they played there. So so this is the next chord. It's like a 7/3/6 they want to play. The next chord we have here is the A flat, we have the F, we have the C sharp, and we have the A. Then for our left hand, we have the E flat and the F. It's like a C dominant 7 for our left hand. Then the next part we play this. Instead of making it minor, they made it major, like playing a B major chord. So this is the best part of the song. Like, so the changes are just interesting. So for the next chord, we have the B flat. For our right hand, we have the F, we have the D, and for our left hand, we have the B flat, we have the F, we have the D, we have the B. So da 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 da. Da 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 da. This is the next thing they played. You see that the changes are just interesting. So the next part, they have well, I say this is like a B major 7. The voicing that makes it nice. On our right hand, we have the F sharp from the top to the bottom. We have the F sharp, we have the C sharp, we have the B flat, we have the F sharp, and for our left hand we have just a stretch, a 10 stretch. If you can't go this way, you can play a C sharp, you can play an F sharp, and you can play the B. But there's a closer voice. You can play it this way, but it won't give you this destiny sound here you get. So after this, the song of victory. So they come back to the same thing. So that's just the changes they just did. So let me play from back to the demolator key. You see. So they go to the back to the. I think they will go back to. So basically, that's just the song. Nothing special about it. It's a very cool song to jam along with your fellow musicians and the rest. So you see, basically everything I taught you on C can modulate it to the key of C sharp and learn just the same chord progression for everything. Just the changes, which was the major part of the song, which I just spelled. I broke it down for you. So you see, so you have all the chords you need to play the song. Like always, this is my own interpretation of the song. I won't say if this was exactly chord for chord what the musician played or the piano player played on the record, but it's just what I feel I heard, my own interpretation. So feel free to always drop a comment of the next song breakdown you want. And if this video was a blessing to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Osazmusic, as always, thank you for watching and God bless you all. Cheers.